To set up private space in Google Pixel 11, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to enter security and privacy options right here, and then we can scroll down until we find the private space. If you click on it, it will ask you for your current phone password, so make sure that you also have your screen lock set up. After that, we can read through the introduction for the private space. If you want, you can. In this case, I'm just going to click on the setup. Then you can log in to your Google account. This will help you keep your data private. It will also make it easier to recover your private space. But I don't want to have that account. Of course, if you want, you can click on Got It and enter credentials for your account. Then we can choose a lock type for private space. You can choose new lock and create different password than your lock screen, or you can go for your own screen lock password and unlock your private space that way. So in this case, I'm going to go for this one. And we're all set. Our private space should be visible if you open Apps screen on the bottom right here. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.